Hello friends, is your engine misfiring, losing power or running rough? If your check engine light is on with code P0354, your car might be struggling with an ignition system issue. This code refers to an ignition coil D primary-secondary circuit malfunction, and if ignored, can lead to serious engine damage and poor fuel efficiency. In this video, we'll explain what P0354 means, its symptoms, sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0354? P0354 stands for Ignition Coil D primary-secondary circuit malfunction. The ignition coil is responsible for creating the high voltage needed to fire the spark plug. The powertrain control module, or PCM, constantly monitors this circuit. If it detects an issue with Ignition Coil D, it triggers code P0354. This means your engine might misfire, hesitate, or struggle to start properly. Common symptoms of P0354 include check engine light, CL, on, engine misfire, hesitation or rough idling, loss of power and acceleration, hard starting or engine stalling, poor fuel economy, and excessive exhaust emissions due to unburned fuel in the exhaust. Ignoring this issue could damage your catalytic converter and lead to costly repairs. Where to check? The ignition coil, D, is located on the cylinder head, directly above the spark plug of cylinder 4. For inline-4 engines, the ignition coils are mounted on top of each spark plug in a row. For V6 or V8 engines, each cylinder bank has individual ignition coils. Coil D usually corresponds to cylinder 4, but refer to your vehicle's manual for exact numbering. For coil pack systems, some older vehicles use a coil pack instead of individual coils. The coil pack is usually mounted near the intake manifold or firewall. Tip: always check your owner's manual for your car's specific ignition coil layout. Alright, let's dive into the common causes of the P0354 code. First off, a faulty ignition coil D. The coil might be burned out, cracked, or shorted. Next, wiring issues, loose, frayed, or corroded wires can interrupt the signal. Bad spark plug or spark plug wires, a failing spark plug can stress the ignition coil. Then a faulty PCM or powertrain control module. The PCM might not be sending proper signals. Finally, a blown fuse or relay problem, a bad fuse in the ignition circuit can prevent coil operation. Now let's talk about how to fix this issue. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to check for related misfire codes like P0304, which is a misfire in cylinder 4. Step 2. Locate ignition coil D, which is cylinder 4, and inspect it for cracks, oil contamination, or burn marks. Step 3. Check the wiring harness and connectors for any damage, loose connections, or corrosion. Moving on to step 4. Test the spark plug and ignition coil using a multimeter to measure resistance and voltage. Step 5. If the coil is faulty, replace it with a new one. Step 6. Inspect and replace any blown fuses or faulty relays. Step 7. Clear the code using an obd2 scanner and test drive the vehicle to confirm the fix. A failing ignition coil D can cause misfires, loss of power, and poor performance. Fixing P0354 early will keep your engine running smoothly and prevent costly damage. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P0006, fuel shutoff valve, a control circuit. Low P0007, fuel shutoff valve, a control circuit high. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.